Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I painted these beautiful fall leaves on my nail. And these are painted with Madam Glam's gel polish in these beautiful colors here. They just look so much like fall. Beautiful, beautiful colors. They are in Halo, the yellow, Lost in the Woods, the green, and Orange Sunset. And I'm starting out with the orange color, which is Orange Sunset. And I'm just going to paint a leaf onto the nail by freehanding it. And while the gel polish is wet, it's really easy to like pull the brush through the gel to create little points as on a maple leaf. And it's also a good idea to keep the gel polish wet while you add the other colors too, because it's easier to blend while it's wet. You don't want to cure it just yet. You don't want to cure it till the very end once you have all the colors added into it. It seems like it's really hard to do, but I find that the more I overthink something, the harder it is for me. I just get too overwhelmed if you put a lot of thought, like too much thought into it, you know? So just do it, you know? You just got to get in there and just do it and try it, and it worked out. You know, it always does. If not, wipe it off and restart it. That's why you don't want to cure it until it's completely done and everything is blended. As you can see here, I added the yellow and blended it while it's still wet. And now it's the green. Blend it. And the green does look a little dark here, but it's really not that dark. And I did speed up some of the video for you because I didn't want it to be too long. And now I'm starting with the halo, the yellow. Do you see how I take that brush and just kind of drag it through? Watch, I take it up to a point. And then on each side of it, I bring out two other little points. Do you see that? Watch. There you go. I mean, these leaves aren't exactly like a maple, but they are very close. And here I go adding the orange. And this orange does have little tiny pieces of glitter in it. And once I get these leaves painted the way I want them, I'm going to go ahead and give them a cure of 30 seconds. Again, here's a little bit of green. Now I've already cured these leaves, and I'm coming in now with some brown paint, brown gel paint, and I'm outlining the leaves. I chose brown because sometimes I think that when I outline something in black, it just looks a little too stark. So this dark brown I thought looked really good. And I'm not going to cure that until I am completely done outlining the outside and doing the vein work. Right here is where I do the vein work. After that, I will cure that for 1 minute. And there is that leaf done, and I'm going to finish the rest and I'll be back. And here they are, all finished and cured and ready for top coat. I'm going to be top coating these leaves with Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat. And once I finish with the top coating, I will cure that in my lamp for 1 minute. That is the end of the video, and also the end to autumn nails. And next we have Christmas nails. So thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.